welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, this is going to be my first Gucci unboxing. This is actually my first Gucci piece that I have purchased. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just get into the video. Okay, so I have the box right here. It did get delivered today. So let's just get started. I'm super excited. I was debating on this piece for a little while actually, just because I was so like nervous because I wanted to do the in-store experience, but with all of this coronavirus stuff going on. Let's see. So this is just how it comes. And this piece that I actually got, I got it from Neiman Marcus. I didn't buy it from the Gucci website just because they didn't have the color that I wanted. So yeah, and don't mind my lamp in the back. It went out, so it might look a little off. So it just comes with all of this paper. I'm just gonna kind of throw it on the floor too. Okay, and here is the box, and then this is just my receipt here. I'm so excited. The next piece that I do want to get though, well, let me just open this one first before I tell you. Okay. This is just so exciting. Okay, it just comes in this box. Oh, I'm so glad. I'm so glad. My first Gucci box. You can see it's just in this white box, this little one. Okay. And then the dust bag. Very silky. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It took me, again, it took me a while to really decide that I want this purchase, or if I should wait, or what color I wanted. But the reveal of my first Gucci piece is, I'm so excited. Card holder. OMG. So this is the Gucci Marmont quilted card holder. This is in the light pink color. And they didn't have this one on the Gucci website, which is why I went with Neiman Marcus, but they did have a dusty pink or a dusty rose color. But baby pink is my favorite color, so I am obsessed already. Okay, so it comes with just this little card here, and then this is a little booklet that is how to take care of the piece. And then this is another one, but I think they just stuffed it that way, in the card. And yeah, so this is my first piece. This is again the Marmont card holder, and it's so cute. So this is my whole thing. This is what I was debating on, if I should get the light pink or the black. Now the next purchase that I'm going to make is actually my first purse from Gucci, so I'm saving up for that. But yeah, I don't know, I didn't know if I wanted black, because I also don't want, this piece is, for a card holder, is pretty expensive just because it's a luxury item. But I was just so, I love baby pink. Baby pink is my favorite color, but then again, the whole, do I want to get it dirty, but at the same time, I think I would only try and use this whenever I have my smaller bags or whatever. So let's just get on with the details. So This is just like the chevron print with the antique gold hardware with the GG. So this does have 2 pockets in the front. So this is 1, 2. And then we have 2 in the back. And then the main compartment one. Oh, I didn't even know there was something in here. Oh, and this is just the tag. And this is the, it says perfect pink on it, but the price was $2.50. So yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, let me just take these little cards out. So the way it feels is like really, really like mushy, I guess, but which is good because it's not like really thick or how do I describe it? Like I feel like it's not going to be so tight in there. So this is actually the wallet upside down. This is actually the wallet that I've been using for a while. I've actually did I think an unboxing on this. So maybe I'll do an updated like a wear and tear on this wallet. But let me just get some cards out. That way we can see what fits inside. And I'm not gonna take my debit cards out. I just have like a bunch of like gift cards and stuff. So I'm gonna use those. And let's see. Okay, so I have my Sephora rewards card, a Victoria's Secret gift card, 2 Ulta cards, and the like a massage gift card. So I'm going to just put these in. And they actually go in really nicely. It's not like I'm like forcing them in there. Okay, and then with the 4 cards in there, it's actually a little bit hard to open the top piece, but yeah, I don't know if I would be able to. I don't know if I would put a card in there. Let me just take that out because I don't want to stretch it. It's actually kind of hard, but let me see. I think I have a, okay, so I just have a 20 in my purse. So if I were to, this card holder, I would just be using like the nights that I go out with my friends, like to bars and stuff. That way I wouldn't have to take like my whole wallet, or like, again, if I take a mini purse, I can just slip this in my purse instead of having my full wallet. So I'm just gonna like just fold it up really quickly and see if I can put this in here in the middle compartment. It's a little bit of a hassle, but if you do it just sideways, it still fits and it doesn't show at the top. So yeah, I definitely wouldn't double stuff the card slots, just because you don't want it to stretch out too much to where whenever you put your cards in and stuff, especially like you have your debit cards and your ID and stuff, you don't want it to like get loose and fall out. But definitely when the cards are not in there, you can open it up like this and easily take your money in and out. But yeah, so I am absolutely in love with this piece. It's so, so, so pretty. Like, I couldn't find any videos on like this exact color. Like, I mean, I know a lot of people have like different preferences and stuff like that. So a lot of people had the black or the red, which this does come in a lot of colors, somewhat a lot of colors. But I still, like, I saw this just one video. I don't remember if it was like here or like it was on Pinterest or something. And I was like, oh my God, like, please, I have to have this color. It's so pretty. It's actually way better than I expected. It's a little bit darker on camera. It's coming up light pink, but I don't know, maybe it's like my lighting in my room or something. But I love it. Okay, so like I'm gonna show you, let me see. So this is supposed to be like their light pink color, right? And this is the Louis Vuitton Rose Ballerine color. So it kind of resembles it a little bit, not too much. This is a little bit more like taupey, I guess you can say, or like a nudish color. But again, I definitely will not be taking this back. I will be keeping it, and I'm so, so, so happy for this purchase to be mine. And yeah, so let me give you the total. I know I said it was $250, but the total with the tax and stuff, it came out to $270.63. So not too bad, especially because obviously it's Gucci, you know. So, and this hardware is supposed to not scratch or anything like that. And I'm guessing like if it does, I wouldn't really mind, just because it's like that antique gold. So the antique color, like if it had like the scratches or whatever, like it will kind of like complement it a little bit, but I'm hoping it doesn't do that. So yeah, this is my new baby. I will be using this over and over and over again. I'm thinking of getting another one in black, because the purse that I want to get is black in the Gucci, whatever. So let me know what you think. Should I get another black one, or should I just keep this one? Because the two purses that I want are the Dionysus one, the brown one with the like tan suede color. I was thinking like, you know, this will kind of like complement it a little bit, or like should I just get a black one? And the other purse I want, the purse that I'm actually saving for right now, is the what's it called? It's in the Marmont line, but it's the mini one. So it has like the flap. I'm gonna try and insert a picture here of what it looks like. So that's the one I'm saving for right now. That's the one I want, because I don't have a black purse. Like I have my Louis Vuitton, the Damier Azur print, which is this one, and I have a monogram crossbody, but I do want, I definitely am saving for another Louis Vuitton as well. But you know, one step at a time. You know, I'm not like made of money or whatever, so I'm definitely trying to save for these purchases. You know, not everybody is like into luxury stuff, which I'm not saying it's a good or bad thing, but it's something that interests me and something that I love. So I'm definitely going to be trying to save, you know, here and there for my next purse. But yeah, just let me know what you think. Should I get another one of these card holders, or should I get like the card case, like the actual wallet where it has the zipper inside and where you can put the bills as well? So yeah, that is the end of this video. I'm so, so, so happy with this. It's just the cutest thing. It's just the cutest thing. Like, it's so pretty. It's so girly. It's pink. I mean, come on. Like, you can't get any better than that, okay? So anyways, I hope you liked this short little video of my first Gucci unboxing. If you want me to do a wear and tear on this Emily wallet, just comment down below and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button, so every time I upload, which I know I need to get back on my game, but every time I upload, you'll get a notification. I will see you guys in my next video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!